I'm Matt Bouchard here in Los Angeles for REIT World 2019, NAREIT's annual conference. Joining me today is Mike Landy, President and CEO with Monmouth Real Estate Investment Corporation. Mike, thanks so much for joining us.
Good to be here. Thank you.
Can you start by talking about overall fundamentals in the industrial market and what your expectations are for 2020?
Absolutely. Industrial fundamentals are incredibly strong. They've been strong since the turn of the century as consumer spending has migrated from Main Street to the internet. And it's projected to continue. We've had 10 years of positive net absorption. We have record occupancy of over 95% for the overall industrial market. Our portfolio has only 1% of vacancy because it's modern logistics, long-term leases to investment-grade tenants. Rents are at record levels, and I think it's here to stay.
And Monmouth recently made an acquisition in Indianapolis. What markets do you expect to outperform in 2020?
Well, we like Indianapolis a lot. It's FedEx's second largest hub in North America, Memphis being their largest. And we have a great portfolio in Indianapolis. We have a FedEx ground building at the Indianapolis International Airport. We have Ulta Cosmetics e-commerce fulfillment in Indianapolis, and that ships out of our FedEx building, so there's a symbiotic relationship between those two assets and those two tenants. We recently acquired an Amazon fulfillment center in Indianapolis, and outside of Indianapolis we have a Toyota distribution center. So Indianapolis is a business-friendly state. There's various locations in America that are anti-business these days, and we try to avoid those areas and invest in locations where the population is growing, the GDP is growing, and business investment is encouraged.
And lastly, as you look at 2020, what do you see as the company's biggest opportunity for growth?
Well, you know, the competition has never been stronger, and every week there's another portfolio trading hands at record low cap rates, record high prices. So you have to pick your spots. I think one of our competitive advantages is the fact that we're a 53-year-old company, and so that brings stability and reliability with our partners. And they bring us deals, and we get to see deals that aren't broadly marketed. We have a pipeline right now of $150 million in change in acquisitions, over 1 million square feet, and that will be transacting. It's all under construction. That'll be closing in the next 4 to 8 quarters, and that will drive our per share earnings growth, drive our portfolio growth, and I think get us on the track record of dividend growth that our shareholders have come accustomed to over the long term.
Great. Mike, thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
For more from REIT World 2019, be sure to visit NAREIT's website, REIT.com.